Hey boys, welcome back. Happy Monday. Everything is dumping right now, but I do have some levels for you, levels to watch out. So please watch this video. By the way, before we start with the TA, I just want to say, boys, help me get to 300 subscribers. If you want to, get some consistent TA about Bitcoin, altcoins every day, key levels to watch. I post it here on my YouTube every day. And I do have some links for weeks, Coinflare, Bybit, client funding if you want to support me and this account. All of my discount codes and links are down below. So for client funding, we got the best discounts right now for evaluations, and just use my link and FTCMOON and FTC Instant for evaluation accounts if you want to get funded with up to $300,000 worth of capital. So what do we have this week? We got some FOMC speeches. I think we got Jerome on Tuesday. Do we have Jerome on Tuesday? Yeah, Fed Powell speaks. I don't know if this is a replay or live, but it's a red folder. And then you got GDP on Thursday, unemployment claims, and then core PCE price index on Friday. So I'm not expecting much this week. We're probably just gonna keep dropping, or we're gonna chop. Now, why? I told you boys that if we reject at the POC and GP last week and close this weekly candle on red, that we are going to drop fast because we have relative equal lows, a bunch of single prints, and low resistance liquidity, to be honest. Because if you'd see this like this, they're probably gonna run this either today or this week. So I am now, leaning more into shorts. Just kind of sad that I was so bullish bias when the candle went here, because I thought that Bitcoin was holding the line here and would like pump on the next day, but it just kept. It was a slow grind, and in hindsight, that was actually, the signal to short, the signal to close my longs, and change my bias. But I have to face the consequences, and I need to slowly recoup some of the losses. But I do have a plan, and I already shorted NQ, closed the trade already, made some profits. A 3R trade. That is a, how many points is this? I think it's like 20 points. So that was a good short on NQ. If you want to know why I shorted this, it's pretty basic, to be honest. So um, this is like my playbook trading London. I would always see Asia range. If Asia just ranges and it doesn't trend, then there's going to be a manipulation for London. It's either we take liquidity upside or down here. But I saw we kept rejecting on the midnight open. So I took this breaker right here short, and then finally TP'd around the previous day EQ. So that was my short for London. I posted it, by the way, in my Telegram channel. So if you're not a part yet, please join our Telegram channel. So let's go to Bitcoin. What is our plan? What do we do here? Are we going to zero? Pretty simple plan, boys. I think we just short Bitcoin this week and then come back next month. So oh my god, I deleted it. All right, so these are my like two shorts right now for Bitcoin. I think this will be like a massive resistance for Bitcoin now that everything is dumping, and a lot of people would probably be selling up here. So we are bouncing near the value area low right now, and I think we have a naked POC here and here. So this will be like the best short. You got the weekly, daily 786. You have the golden pocket here, previous week low. That's a weekly level. You get the anchored view up right there, and I believe if we put a anchored view up right there, see, so anchored view up here would also point around the golden pocket. So those are my two short areas. Mark them out. I'm going to send a screenshot on my Telegram channel, so you have to join there. Let me just delete this now. I think it's time to clean up the charts, no? Because I mean, all of these trades I've given you boys already happened. So yeah, I'm gonna take this all of these shorts out, and then for the longs, yeah, I think it's time to take out the longs. Longs, yeah, all of those longs I gave you boys. Let's remove them. Let's remove them. I need to clean. What about single prints? Yeah, we still have single prints, so this is like my best long, to be honest. If we do come down next week, fibs. Okay, delete. Delete. All right, so I mean, you could long here, to be honest, but I don't really want to long going to the short. But if you kind of do, it's looking. Nah, it's not looking good. Like this type of move, you don't really want to long that type of move because usually when Bitcoin does something like this, it was just like and then boom, you know. So I don't like that. But these are my levels. Mark it out. Golden pocket. Let's actually check the naked POC. Hold on. Let's mark it out. All right. Yeah. See, we have a naked POC right there. Hold on. Let me turn it off. Okay, we got a naked POC right there. Let's naked POC. Let's turn that into a pink. And then another one right there. Yeah, somewhere there. And then my next one would be around this level. Uh, naked daily POC. Forgot to put that daily. All right, so yeah, I mean, those are the levels, boys. I'm leaning more into shorts, so yeah, that's it. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye bye.